give a fuck if I be dead or alive. So bite the bullet, trigger bullet, seek the end or begin. It depends on how you're looking at it. Until then I'll be sinning. Descended in the portal, no more juice in the flesh. No use depending on the mortals, ain't the easiest task. I'm overzealous, I'm a radical, meaning an archangel. Viewing it from the heavens of humans at all. Taking up other regrets and when we pay the button in the pen zone. Some of the pressure by taking my place inside of a dead zone. You know, coffin burials to soak that I breathe. These ceremonial rituals practice down to a T. Lost track of the demons, how to Pandora's box. Road into redemption coming after a night. I got the chains up on my flesh, I'm in a liminal space. To rip the veins about my chest, look how we fall in front of empty the head, falling in some shit.
Død mand. Ej, hvad var det?
To, 3, 4, 5.
Ej, det er fucking nederen det der.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Jeg tror, de har skrevet os.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Det burde være en siden. Lige herude, lige herude. Ja. Kom her. Godt skud. What? Ah, okay. Bare lige tjek det er gul.
Tak først lige, jeg kommer videre.
Hvad så?
Så er det det! Så er det det! High five! Nej!